Hi guys, it's Mrs. Elliott, and we are going to do a really fun project called a me bag. In years past, we've done this with an actual bag, but we're going to do it in a new and really exciting way virtually. So this is my me bag. I put my name up here, Mrs. Elliott, and then here I put a picture of me. You could use the camera to take a picture of you on your virtual day. I took a picture of me, and this is my husband, Mr. Elliott, okay? And then on the next page, you're going to start to put things that are special to you. You are going to put 5 special items. So I put 5 special items about me. My first special item, this is a picture of my family. It has my dad and my mom and Mr. Elliott, my husband, and my nieces and nephews and sisters and aunts and uncles. And this is very special to me because my family is very, very important and very, very special to me. The next special item I put about me is a pair of running shoes. I put a pair of running shoes, and these running shoes say teacher on them. These are special to me, one, because I like to run and I like to exercise. I like to box and I like to run, and I love being a teacher. So those are my teacher running shoes. The third special item I picked is a video of me and my dog Squirt. This is my dog Squirt. He's 2 years old, and Squirt and I spent a lot of time together when we were staying at home, and he helped me make some dance videos which we posted for everybody to enjoy. The next special item I have about me, this is a picture of me by the water because I love to be near and in the water. I love to go to the beach. I love to go to the lake. I love to go to the pool. When I was a little kid, I used to be a swimmer and swim on the swim team, and I love to be in the water. And the last special item I put is I put a picture of, or a clip art of me with a book because I love to read, and a cup of coffee because I enjoy my cup of coffee each morning. So those are 5 special things that are important to me, and I'm very excited to look at all your me bags and see all the important things to you.